Charge gate.
Mama, check the plug. What kind of issue is this one now? This early Sunday morning.
Plug I put yesterday don't die. Mama, verse na plug. Ma ku read Johnson abeg. I dey come now. Ma ku buy plug for Johnson. No verse, no verse.
I'm late for church. Hey, look at, see. If not that you are a child, we would have dealt with you and lock you up in the station. What is this rubbish you are doing?
My daddy.
Eh? Is the audacity for me? Nah.
God beg now. No bitter. Now small picking. I beg.
This one, small pikin. At this age, see what this small pikin they do.
When a child is bad, they will say it's the mother. But when a child is good, they'll say it's the father. Look at it now. Look at this child now, at this age. Look at what he has become. Look at what his father has turned him into.
If this boy grow up with this character now, Baba, now nuisance so.
No, tell me what this child will become when he grows up.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey, Father Solomon.
Sister Zandra, how are you?
I'm fine.
Happy Sunday.
Same to you.
I have not been able to come to church for the past 4 years. So being in church today, I am very happy and excited. My enemies, they failed and God has disgraced them. See me, sit church. Hallelujah. Where are you going to?
I want to go and buy olive oil for Pastor Nicholas.
Okay.
Brother Solomon, I'm happy to see you.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you later. Come in, okay? Daddy, help me. Daddy, help me.
What is going on here now? What's the problem?
So this is your father? Sir, you're a very useless man.
What do you mean by that?
You are a shame to fatherhood. In fact, you have failed your generation. Oga, as cute as you are, so you are a thief. Big one. A very big one at that.
Ouch.
To the extent you are even teaching this innocent boy how to steal. Taking him for your jobs when you are going for your robbery.
Oga, see, the beat will not beat this small boy. We go beat you, hand you over to the police. So that when you reach us, this boy go don't say, wait till you teach him. Now bad thing. No, this is a mistaken identity. I don't know this boy. I'm on my way to church this morning. I don't. Oga, if you see,
Sorry. Don't cry.